I go by the name Eliwasion and it's Kanisa, and I am here to face the fans on MX24. Let's get it. How did I come up with the name Laycon? I came up with my name from my real name, Olami Laycon. So Laycon. Well, I just put out an album. Shall we begin? That's the project that is out right now, and everybody should be focused on that. Keep streaming the album. The most challenging part of my life growing up, it had to be, I don't know, trying to get the music out, trying to get more audience to listen to the music. Yeah. But people are bound to have opinions, obviously. So I mean, I just focus on the positives, motivate myself. I discovered passion for music. I've always known I like music ever since I was a kid. Even before I could think for myself, I've always known I love music. So that the passion has always been like innate. An artist. A greatest inspiration. Let's say greatest inspiration. I have different things that inspire me, and I have different people who inspire me. So there's not one person. Yeah. Oh well, the night that I won the show, the Big Brother show, I forgot my hotel room number. I forgot my hotel room key in another room, so I was stuck in the lobby, and I saw him walking past, and we spoke, and it happened. For music, I'm passionate about a lot of things. I'm passionate about governance. I'm passionate about football. I'm passionate about family. Yeah. Courage. Like was I supposed to be scared? No, I was never scared of letting people know that I am SC, but that was so I don't. It's been, I don't know. I've never had a crisis, so I'm quite fortunate. But I mean, shout outs to the warriors out there. You guys are strong. Yes, I am. I'm not searching either. I mean, it's just stay true to yourself, your core self. I mean, the everything happening around make you adjust, obviously. And yeah, things are definitely going to change from how you perceive yourself to how people perceive you, but you need to just stay grounded, and that's what I do. My core self will never change, and my core principles will never change. Something I heard about myself that surprised me. I'm really surprised though, so I can't think of one. Yeah, maybe when I came out of the house and somebody said, I got her pregnant or something. That was ridiculous. Now, more like I wasn't surprised. It was just ridiculous and laughable. So yeah. Let's keep it that way. If you've never heard it, then it's intentional. Let's keep it that way. I mean, youth ambassador is kind of what an ambassador does. I mean, we're doing a whole lot behind the scene, and a whole lot of things are going to be made public soon. Keep your fingers crossed. Top 5 songs at the moment. It's probably going to be songs. Okay, let me just list them so people know. All my top 5 songs at the moment are songs off my Shall We Begin album. So from Fall For Me to Verified to All Over Me to My Lane to God Body, those are my top 5 songs at the moment. You can want to add One Chew Back, JJ and Kele, add and So She Spoke and So They Spoke. Just basically the whole Shall We Begin album. I mean, first off, I'll say I'm very honored that you see me as somebody that you should see as a role model. We'll just let you know that keep being true to yourself. That's very, very important, regardless of whatever is happening around you. Keep following your dreams, keep pushing, and keep making sure that you spread love and light. The inspiration behind the album itself, like the title of the album, the inspiration behind the title was that I dropped an EP, Who Is Laycon 2020, and now that you know who Laycon is, Shall We Begin? That's the inspiration behind the album title. The album itself encompasses different sounds, different genres, and shows my versatility. And so it's just me thinking I need to make quality music, and quality music that would resonate with multiple people, and people will be able to find a bit of themselves in the music. I mean, yeah, we worked on the album before we started even curating music for the music that we put on the album. For the artists that I featured on the album, it was just there was a personal connection that was needed to say this is a first from me, and this is what I want to use to start. So starting off after leaving the house, I had these personal connections with those people. I felt like it was only sensible to have them on the project. And I was happy. I was excited. I was happy. So it's kind of crazy that you're asking a Boomplay question. Shout out to Boomplay. Yeah, I've eaten wache. I'm going to eat Ghanaian jollof as soon as I'm done here. That's why I want to go and eat Ghanaian jollof. Bye.
Yeah. Scanning, sir.
Emi o ma fa fa feni kankan ya. Shebi na dem get your mouth to make them talk. I go do my thing, I go see you at the top. Oh. Yeah, you know what's up. Oh. This is the popular. The way we rap, they say pick it today. This is the popular. The way we rap, they say to party today. This is the popular. This is the popular. This is the popular. This is the popular.
Okay. Can I talk? Rose, Wambi. They say rap, no, they say when brandy. They say why to the rap, no, they want me. Put the CD on the map, it's on IG. Hey, I'm on C-level. If you rap, sorry, go, yeah, do. And more rap, money, no, they show my zoo. But I switch anyhow, I'm a rap, man, do like this. Hip hop, hooray, and order. You feeling the boy and you just wanna know the rapper. They don't say we there forever. They don't say the way I they rap, it be getting better. Oh yeah, hip hop, hooray, and order. I don't say you just wanna know the rapper. Hey, you don't say we there forever. They don't say the way I they rap. Hey.
Welcome people, I go by the name Eliwasio and it's Kanisa. I just faced the fans on MX24. Hope you enjoyed it. Me, I want to go and eat Ghanaian jollof. Bye.